Hey, this video started on its own, guys. Good afternoon. I'm just going to do a little garden tour. I hope my dog don't trip me up because it's thundering and Toffee's scared and she keeps getting between my legs and tangling me up. So let's go see the garden, guys, because there's been a little switch around. So let's go. I'll just turn the camera up. And there's Mr. Snowman. Mr. Snowman. What are you doing? What have you got here stuck in the bushes? Oh, look at the little toffee bird. Are you scared? Scared up under this one. He's scared to go. What happened? Oh, we don't like the thunder. Oh, he's on a mission now. Look. Oh, guys, let's look at this sky. You can probably hear the thunder, guys. Can you in the background? It's over the back, look near the coconut tree, the thunder's coming from there. Hello guys, let's have a little look round here. My wife's been out here today. Having a sort out. The lemon looks alright. It's a nice plant there, guys. It's a rescue plant, he's doing alright. I can't see the peace lilies today, my wife's been putting some plants here, look. No. They're in there somewhere. There we go, guys. As you can see, I've had a sweep in the garden. There's the pomelos. Don't that look like a... Yeah, look guys, we got a nice umbrella. Let's look around this tree, guys. There's been a switch around. There you go, guys. Get this bigger. Check out the Estes. There he is, guys. He's been hung up a bit. Now you can't see my film. I thought we got some new Dalisii here, look guys. New plants. Now where's my little... There you go, guys. You can see my melon seeds in it. They seem to be doing alright. Can't get in there, look, my wife's put the Dalisii. I think they're going to be planted outside. So, yeah, some new flowers here, guys. New plants here, look, some nice roses. Look at the sky, guys. Corner's changed as well. We've got a new pot here, look guys. Bonsai. Oh no, yeah, alright. New bonsai. Wow, what's this one, guys? Very nice. Yes, guys. There we go, guys. Look. Nice umbrella, look, for the shade. Let's check out the yellow flowers. Very nice. And the jasmine. Yeah. Sky, guys. Thunder's coming from up there, look, guys. There's the gloves, look, in those gloves. Ah, look, this is the one I was telling you about yesterday, Lantara. Lantara it's called, this one. Apparently it's toxic to the dogs if they ingest it. So I put them up there out of the way, look. I don't want Toffee to start eating that and getting sick. Yeah, so there you go, Lantara plant. Lantara plant. He's up there out of the way. There you go, guys. There you go, guys. All the flowers up the top there. Oh, gonna get some fun in a minute, guys. This guy, guys. Well, there we go, guys. The garden. I've been sweeping up. Took some leaves out this morning. The garden's looking, coming together. It's all tidy. We've got a few plants there we're going to shift around, but there we go, guys. I'm going to show you the atties. There you go, guys. You're looking alright. Pombalo's big. Alright, guys, that's it then. Turn the camera around, guys. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the garden tour. Back into the recording studio. There you go, guys. That's a garden update for whatever day it is. Wednesday the 13th of August. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Join me for evening prayer tonight. I'm going to run for cover a minute. The thunder's getting louder. So enjoy your day, everyone. Stay safe and God bless you more. Okay, guys.